if you're an athlete or you used to be an athlete, or maybe you have kids in athletics like I do, you've probably heard the phrase before, speed kills. I learned that all the time growing up playing football and wrestling and coaching my kids now with some sports. Speed is just one of the most effective and devastating things that you can do and have in the athletic arena. This month's issue of the Central Indiana real estate market, that's kind of the phrase that I have for right now is speed kills. And that's what's going on in the market right now. We've just kind of just flew off the starting blocks here at the start of 2022. The market's been at a fast pace for a while, but I got to be honest with you, the market is picking back up again and is even moving a little bit faster here in the middle of November of 2022. So what I want to do today is talk about that and break that down a little bit for you with some information and some data that may help you get clarity. And then also talk, if you're thinking about maybe making a move sometime here in the next coming months, how you can be prepared so you can have that speed that kills in the market if you're looking to make a move. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out like I typically do with the real estate market here in Central Indiana, with just kind of some general statistics and then kind of boil that down into some kind of how-tos and some action plans. So here in Central Indiana, this data that I'm giving goes for the real estate activity in January of 2022 versus January of 2021. So here in Central Indiana, there were 14.3% fewer homes on the market this past January than in the previous month. And home sales were down just 2.1% compared to January of 2021. However, the average home price in Central Indiana rose almost $35,000, which was 14%. In Hamilton County, where a lot of my businesses, this is where we've kind of seen the most exaggerated figures, really over the last year to 2 years. And we still have, particularly in Hamilton County, we're still starving for listings, and we just need more homes on the market to satisfy the demand of people that want to move to this area. There were actually 56.3% fewer homes on the market in January of 2022 versus January of 2021. Because of that, we did have fewer sales than in January of compared to January of 2021, 12.6% fewer homes to be exact. But the average homeowner in Hamilton County has seen their home increase by over $45,000 in the last 12 months. So that's obviously a positive for homeowners there. Marion County, where I also do a large amount of business, again, kind of similar story, maybe not quite as exaggerated. There were 27.1% fewer homes on the market in January, almost 6% fewer sales, and the average home sales price rose by 13.9% over that year-over-year data. So really, again, I talk about how speed kills, and what I'm really getting into right now is I just did a search today. I think it's February 16th of 2022, and what I did is I did what I do on a lot of my Central Indiana market watches that I share with you. I kind of looked at the number of homes for sale in Hamilton County and on the north side of Indianapolis. I compared that to the number of homes that were pending today, and then just kind of looked at what the ratio of that was. And it was really interesting. This is where we get into that speed kills component. So in Hamilton County, right now, Hamilton County has almost 355,000 people that live in Hamilton County. There are 99 homes for sale right now in Hamilton County. However, homes that are pending, homes that are under contract, there are 576 homes that are under contract. So 99 for sale, 576 that are under contract. That means that for every one home that is available for buyers to go and look at, there are actually there's over 5 homes that are already under contract. So again, we're seeing buyers stampede to these houses, and they're really pushing these prices up. And when you actually look at Hamilton County homes under $500,000, so less than $500,000, that ratio is even larger. For every one home that is for sale, that's under $500,000 in Hamilton County, there is 6.6 homes that are under contract. So almost 7 homes that are pending that are under contract on the market right now versus one that's for sale. So all these buyers are coming to this one house and just raising the prices on that. Even though we've seen healthy appreciation over the last 12 months, so we're seeing that continue to accelerate right now. Again, speed kills. So, when you compare that to even just a few months ago, in Hamilton County, there was 2.98 homes pending for one that was for sale. Well, again, right now there's over 5. So we go from basically 3 homes that are pending for every one that's available to over 5 that are pending versus one that's available. Again, that's really accelerating the speed of the market right now. And again, we're seeing these numbers very similarly in the north side of Indianapolis as well. So if you're in this market, how can you get speed? Well, you get speed through efficiency, and you get speed through clarity. And one of the best ways to do that is to really, again, I say this a lot in a lot of my videos, have a solid game plan, have an approach that is going to work for you. If you're somebody that has a home to sell, make sure you have a crystal clear game plan of how you want to strategize, not only maximizing the value, but what is your exit strategy? Where are you going to be moving to? Having that in place as much as possible ahead of time is going to allow you to work quickly and efficiently in this market. And if you're a buyer that's looking to make a move, maybe you have a home to sell and you're maybe looking to make a move, or you're just looking to buy. Again, efficiency and clarity lead to speed. And you better make sure that you have your finances tight and in order. You better be responsive in getting over and seeing homes. And let's just be real, the sellers, they have a lot of leverage right now. You better be pretty easy on inspections, offer a healthy appraisal gap if you don't have a cash offer, and you may need to be flexible with closing time and possession time if the home is occupied. So really understanding the landscape that we're in and understanding the rhythm of it. Again, we're seeing it accelerate a little bit right now. That's kind of the iteration that we're in right now. And it may change a little bit depending what happens with interest rates here, but working with a team that can really help you through not just the general landscape of the market, but also the rhythm of it will help you really navigate and maneuver through this market in a quick and nimble manner to help get you where you want to go. So if you'd be interested in talking to myself or one of my team members on how we can prepare you and coach you through that process to help you be the home athlete here that is quick and is fast and is beating the market, we'd love for you to reach out to us. You can comment down below here, or you can text us, and we would be happy to set up a time just to have a conversation with you, see how we could serve you, see how we could educate you. As always, we hope you found this information valuable, and if there's anything we can do for you, please reach out. We are here to serve, and we're never too busy for your referrals. Thanks so much.